Queens and Royal Court, welcome back to Amada Queen's channel. So per usual, we're gonna get super turned up. This video is gonna be super popping because I finally got to shop and get me some items from Ivy Park. So Ivy Park had like what, 3 drops. The first drop, it just went over my head. I didn't know about it, I forgot about it, all that good stuff. The second time I was broke, I ain't even gonna lie, but this time I knew it was coming. You know, I had the funds for it, so I was able to snag a couple items. Although those items went by so freaking quick, I barely got what I wanted, and even the size. So one of the items I actually went up like 2 sizes, so I'm hoping it still looks okay, but it's gonna be super awesome. Let me show you the boxes. So here is one of the boxes, and I think this is all of the clothes that I purchased. And then I've been wanting a designer duffel bag for like the longest. I really want a Louis Vuitton, but until I get to Louis Vuitton level, I decided to get her white duffel bag. So I think it's in this big old box. So I'm like so ready to see what that looks like and what everything looks like. So I'm just super excited. I really am, and I cannot wait to see how the items look, how they fit, all that good stuff. So in my normal fashion, I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing on camera, and then after that I'll go ahead and try on the items. And before we go ahead and get into this, I just want to take this time to thank you for all the love and support that I've received on my channel. It feels really good, and I really do appreciate it. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're feeling my eyelashes, let me give you a little close-up. They will be available on my website, which is coming soon. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Oh snap. Dang, this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. This is a body bag. Okay, so yeah, you just saw me open this thing, right? Do you see how huge this thing is? I mean, I'm not hating at all. I'm actually really excited that it's huge. But I don't know, just based on the website, like I didn't think that it would be this humongous. But oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So you can see it has like Ivy Park on the sides. Like, it's very detailed. It's that same material. Check this price tag out. Adidas Ivy Park. It has like 50 million handles. Let me back it up so you can see. Yeah, it has like 50 handles. Looks like lots of compartments. I want to see what it looks like on the inside. And yeah, it just has Ivy Park all on it. Look at the buttons. Oh gosh, it just feels so nice. And I think it's filled with damn, how do I get in here? Get into it. Went to the wrong zipper. Okay, there you go. Alright, so they filled it with the stuffing. But still, like, just to see like how much it can hold. That's pretty cool. Whew. Oh yeah, it's very, very spacious. Let's see if I can show y'all the inside. All these straps. But yeah, and this material is the same material she had for like her jackets, things like that. Yeah, things like that. I didn't get any jackets though. So yeah, I'm loving it. I might put the stuffing back in it just to make it look nicer, but nah, this bag is on point. It was $150, and I think it's money well spent. Like, it's very It's very large, very spacious, nicely made. Oh, here's the Adidas logo right there. And obviously it can hold a lot. Here's what it looks like again. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the clothes. Okay, next let's go ahead and get into the clothes. I'm just so ready to see what it's looking like. Again, this is how the box looks. So compared to that other box, looks super small, but it has like all the clothes in it. So let's see how that's going to look. Try to open it on camera for you. All right. Okay, this is what it's looking like on the inside. So it should have all of my outfits. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here is the first item. This is that latex dress. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm sorry, y'all, but this is so bomb. It just feels so nice. I already know it's gonna look so freaking cute on me. You can already see the shape. Yeah, it said latex, and it is latex. I don't know why I didn't think it was gonna be that shiny, but yeah, it's like really shiny. Seems like it's pretty stretchy. And let's see, I got a size medium. Okay, well, hopefully it fits, because normally I wear size large. I totally forgot that I even got a size medium. So most likely the large was sold out. So hopefully this fits, but it looks really nice out the package. Next item, I purchased this blue bra. Oof. Again, just feels so nice. Says Ivy Park on the straps, and then it has Adidas on the back. Right here, it has Adidas on the back. This is a size, let me see. Okay, so this is a size large, so this should fit pretty well. Ooh. And then I also purchased her windbreaker sweat pants. Ooh. So this is like classic Adidas stuff. So I was going to wear it with this, put those two together. And yeah, it's just like classic windbreaker pants. They feel really nice. They say Ivy Park on the pocket. And then Adidas on the back. So we'll see how that looks together. And then the final outfit that I purchased was, this bag is like sticky. Nasty. I don't know why it's sticky. But get rid of that. So yeah, so it looks like it's the exact same bra, just in pink. Hot pink. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. And this one, let me see. Okay, so I also got this in a size large. It says Ivy Park on the straps really well. And then this, for that bra, I got matching shorts. But the matching shorts, I got it in a size 1X. I normally wear bottoms like size large, maybe extra large. So I'm hoping, because all of the other sizes were sold out, and I really wanted the exact matching piece to this outfit. So I'm just hoping that I can make it work. But here is the 1X size. So I don't know, I'm feeling like I can make it work. Worst case scenario, I'll have to adjust it a little bit, but yeah, hopefully it still fits really cute. Okay, so those are all of the items. That was the unboxing portion. Let's go ahead and try them on and see how everything looks like. Y'all, I look good. I have to admit it myself. This is bomb. Like, it really is. It actually fits pretty well. It's comfortable. I definitely would need to like walk around in it a little bit. And for a medium, for myself, a person who normally wears size large, the fit is really, really good, honestly. Yeah, the fit is really, really well. I just have to stretch it out a little bit, but let me show you what it looks like fully. Okay, so this is the full look. Just looks too good, too good. So it literally fits my body perfectly. Show you what this is what it looks like from the back. So it is a little short, if you can see, like it's like literally like right underneath my butt. So if it doesn't ride up, then this dress is perfect. If it does ride up, I'm gonna have to walk around like this all day. But I don't know, honestly, like, it is what it is. I did go a size I did go a size down, so I have to just roll with the punches. But it really does look really well. It does fit really, really well, and I am really, really happy with it, and I am glad that it fits very well. Also, let me show you the cute little detail, how it has the Ivy Park right here next to the sleeve, and then you can also zip it down a little bit. So that's really cool. And even the dress part, the zipper, you can zip it higher or lower than how I have it. So if I wanted to go all the way up, I could. I mean, I don't know if I would wear it like this. I don't like my neck being I don't know, I get like claustrophobic with things like on my neck all the time. But yeah, so there's just a couple ways that you can, you know, transform it to fit your needs. But like I said, overall, I'm very, very happy with this dress. Alright, y'all, so I have on the second outfit, and here is the blue top. So as you can see, it fits great. It looks really good. Let me show you the back. Okay, so as you can see, the back is just like a standard racer back, and it's really comfortable. It fits really well. As you can see, it pushes everything up. It was really easy to put on. It's literally just a zipper that you zip all the way down and zip all the way up. I'm going to show you with the matching bottoms in just a second. Now, I don't know about these two pieces together, but for the purpose of the video, I wanted to do a full outfit for you. And then also the hat, I just bought it from Amazon because it was white and I thought it would be really cute with the outfit. So I did not get this from Ivy Park. I got this from Amazon. Okay, so let me show you the full look. Okay, so this is what it looks like, both pieces together. And I can pan down a little bit so that way you can really see what the pants look like. The pants are awesome. They're bomb. They fit really, really well. Like, it's that perfect mix from being like fitted, like fitting well, but still like a little baggy. So I love the fit of the pants. They're extremely comfortable. They have pockets, and the pockets are pretty deep too, so that's nice. Like I said, I probably wouldn't wear these two pieces together like normally. The bra I would probably wear with just like some black leggings or yoga pants, and then the bottoms I would probably wear with like a white tank or like a white sports bra. But both pieces still look really, really good. And again, here is from the back, and then let me pan down so you can see the bottom of the pants. Okay, so you can see the bottom of the pants. So yeah, they're just like, you know, like windbreaker pants. They fit really well. I forgot there is a pocket right over here too, and this one is super deep, so that's always nice. And then here's what it looks like from the back. Same thing, really great fit. And yeah, I'm just in love with both of these pieces. Okay, y'all, so another bomb fitting top sports bra. This sport bra got me looking right, you know. I didn't even realize this one was a little bit different than the blue one. This one has like this little cutout right here, and even putting it on was a little bit, not harder, but you know, it took a little bit longer, because the other one I just zipped it in the front, zipped it in the back, good to go. This one I had to put it over my head and then hook it in the back like a regular bra. The back, it is you know, race, or it's like a cross back. and then has a little hole as well. Move my hair so that way you can see it. And yeah, so it's just like a really cute sports bra. Like, this definitely makes you want to just go to the gym, just look cute and work out. So I'm gonna show you the matching bottoms in just a second, but I really love the fit. The color is super cute, the print is really cute. Again, it says the Icy Park on the straps, so I love that as well. Let me show you the full look. So remember what I said in the beginning of the video, that I had to go up 2 sizes and get a size 1X. So actually the thighs fit really well, not worried about that part. This part looks a little wonky, and I actually had to tuck it in a couple times right here. Yeah, I actually had to tuck it in a couple times right here, just so that way it can fit a little bit better. But you can see how it's sticking up a little bit in the back. So you know, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's fine. I mean, it's, for the most part, it's a pretty decent fit for going up 2 sizes. And that just lets you know that you can probably get away with going up or down for a couple garments. I don't know about all the garments, but for a couple garments. But overall, I love the outfit together. I love the fit of both of them. It's extremely comfortable, very stretchy. I'm really digging it. This is perfect for like lounging or exercising, and I'm really happy with all of the products that I purchased from Ivy Park, Icy Park, and Queen Bee. Okay, so that was my Ivy Park, well, that was my first Ivy Park Icy Park drop on my channel, and I am super happy with all of the products that I received. In total, I did spend $600, y'all. $600. That's not a little amount to just, you know, drop like that, but I am happy with the purchases that I made. I'm really excited to wear my outfits. I don't know where I'm going to wear my outfits to, but I'm gonna figure it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up if you want to let me know anything, if you want to see anything. Ivy Park, Icy Park, giving it 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. And hopefully I can catch the next drop as well. Until then, I will see y'all next time. Bye. Let me fix it. Yeah.